and feelings come and go. Yeah, she got it going on, and now I'm running circles inside my head so bad.
Okay, the first thing we're going to remove are the power connectors, including the cables.
Baby, I'm asking for you to believe me.
This is the SATA power connector. It adds functionality to the computer. And this is the Molex power connector. As you can see, it has 4 pins. And this is the L-shaped power connector. It is for SATA hard drives. Okay, so after that, we're going to remove the cables. This is the P4 or Pentium 4 for the processor. The next to remove is the ODD. Of course, using the screwdriver.
Fake it, I can't pretend anymore. And I only wanna die alive, never by the hands of a broken heart.
Next to ODD is the HDD or hard disk drive.
I really am. This is the part when I say I don't want ya. I'm stronger than I've been before. This is the part when I break free, 'cause I can't.
The next to remove is the power supply. Power supply is an internal hardware component that supplies the components in a computer with power by converting potentially lethal AC into a steady low voltage DC.
I was under your spell, like a deadly fever on the highway to hell, yeah. And I only wanna die alive, never by the hands of a broken heart. I don't wanna hear you lie tonight, now that I've become who I really am. This is the part when I say I don't want ya. I'm stronger than I've been before. This is the part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more. This is the part when I say I don't want ya. I'm stronger than I've been before. This is the part when I break free, 'cause I can't resist it no more. I'm gonna swing from the chandelier, from the chandelier, and I'm gonna live like tomorrow doesn't exist, like it doesn't exist.
So next is the RAM or random access memory.
This is the
It is a volatile or temporary storage device.
this is the part when I say I don't want ya.
And the next to remove is heatsink. Heatsink is a metal base or plate onto which one or more components are mounted to absorb, carry away, or radiate the heat generated by the components. Heatsinks are generally made of an aluminum alloy and often have fins. All computers require a heatsink. Some also require a fan. A heatsink without a fan is called a passive heatsink. A heatsink with a fan is called an active heatsink. A processor, also known as Central Processing Unit or CPU, refers to the part of a computer that interprets and carries out or processes instructions and data contained in the software.
Or nothing. I never thought it would be like this. I'm stuck in a moment. Could this
Motherboard, the main circuit board inside the computer, which contains the central processing unit, the bus, memory sockets, and expansion slots. A motherboard, also known as main board, logic board, or system board, and sometimes abbreviated as MOMO, is the central or primary circuit board making up a complex electronic system, such as a computer. The motherboard contains the connectors for attaching additional boards. Typically, the motherboard contains the CPU, BIOS, memory, mask, storage interface, serial, and parallel ports, and all the controllers required to control standard peripheral devices.
I'm stuck in a moment, could this be it? I'm finding it hard not to lose my mind.
Collectively, all these chips that reside on the motherboard are known as the motherboard's chipsets.
If you're ready, let's go. Gotta take a chance to live it while you can. This is who I am. This is who I am. Close your eyes, girl. Go with it tonight, girl. Take a chance, girl. Go with it tonight. Close your eyes, girl. Go with it tonight, girl. Take a chance on me.
Now, be careful in doing this one, and if this is your first time doing it, it is best if you lend a hand for assistance. Lightly push the motherboard towards to I/O shield and lightly tighten the motherboard retaining screws alternately until all screws are tight enough, but not too tight.
This is who I am. Just waking up in the morning in the finger well. Quite honest with you, I don't really sleep well. Ever feel like your thoughts have been derailed? That's when you press on. Half the population displaying seeing you fail. Yeah, right, you're better off trying to freeze hell. Some of us do it for the females, and the others do it for the retail. I do it for the kids, life through the town ring. Oh, every time you fall, it's only making you change strong. And I'll be in your corner like me, baby. Till the end of when you hear that song from that big lady. To the referee rings a bell. To both the eyes start to swell. To the crowd goes on. What you gonna do, y'all? Give him hell. Turn the heads. Gonna live life till we're dead. Give me scars. Give me pain. That's what they'll say to me. Say to me. Say to me. There goes a fighter. There goes a fighter. Here comes a fighter. I'ma be damn sure. Giving hell, turn the heads. Gonna live life till we're dead. Give me scars, give me pain. That's what they'll say to me, say to me, say to me. There goes a fighter, there goes a fighter. Here comes a fighter. That's what they'll say to me, say to me, say to me. Here comes a fighter. Here we go again, feelings come and go. Yeah, she got it going on, and now I'm running circles inside my head. So baby, I was thinking maybe if I go back and change things, would this drive me crazy? The thing is that I don't know what to say, but it doesn't matter anyway. I don't know what to think, 'cause she might not even feel the same. I'm thinking if I go back, I could replace this empty space. I wanna go back. Here we go. We're running back in time. My heart still beats at the speed of light. I've been searching through my mind to find a map that'll take me back in time. Step it back then, take me to a place